Get ready to transform your athletic performance with NAD. This powerful coenzyme, Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, can change your training game completely. By enhancing muscle recovery and boosting energy levels, NAD helps you meet your fitness goals more effectively. Let's dive into how you can incorporate NAD into your routine and elevate your athletic achievements. Have you ever wondered how elite athletes break through performance barriers? The answer might surprise you: NAD. It's a naturally occurring molecule your body produces. Optimizing your NAD levels can help unleash your full athletic potential. NAD, or Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, is a coenzyme found in every cell. It's crucial for energy production, cellular repair, and many biological processes. Think of NAD as a shuttle bus, transferring electrons during metabolic reactions to create energy. NAD plays a vital role in converting food into energy. It participates in cellular respiration, including glycolysis, breakdown of glucose into pyruvate; Krebs cycle, conversion of pyruvate into ATP; electron transport chain, production of ATP. This energy is essential for cellular functions and muscle contractions, especially during intense workouts. NAD significantly impacts your athletic performance. Here's how. It enhances muscle recovery, essential after intense training. The faster your muscles heal, the sooner you can push your limits again. NAD also boosts endurance by maximizing your available energy. This is crucial for sports requiring sustained physical activity like running or cycling. Mitochondrial health is supported by NAD, making it crucial for energy production during prolonged activities. Additionally, elevated NAD levels enhance cognitive function, keeping you mentally sharp during competitions. Your body produces NAD naturally, but its levels decline with age. Here are some ways to boost NAD levels naturally. Focus on diet and nutrition. Foods rich in B vitamins and amino acids can help. Incorporate foods high in tryptophan, like turkey, chicken, and eggs. Foods rich in nicotinamide riboside, like milk and fish. Engaging in physical activities boosts NAD levels too. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective. If dietary changes aren't enough, consider supplements. Common types include nicotinamide riboside, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. When using supplements, consider dosage. NR generally 300, 500 mg day, NMN 250, 500 mg day. Timing. Take NR before workouts for an energy boost or in the morning for overall support. Be aware of mild side effects, such as nausea and headaches. Always monitor your body's response and consult healthcare providers. Scientific studies support NAD supplementation for athletic gains. Research shows improved muscle function and recovery with NAD+. Increased NAD levels lead to better endurance and cognitive function. Here are some practical tips for athletes. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for maximizing NAD's effects. Combine NAD with other beneficial supplements like omega-3 fatty acids for cognitive enhancement and vitamin B to boost energy. Listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently, so adjust accordingly. Let's address some common questions. Is NAD doping? No, NAD is a natural enhancer for your body. Can you get enough NAD from food? A balanced diet helps, but supplements can provide a more direct boost. Will NAD give an unfair advantage? NAD works to optimize your natural abilities without any unfair edge. In conclusion, NAD is a game changer for athletes seeking peak performance. Understanding NAD and optimizing its levels can enhance recovery, endurance, and cognitive function. By using natural methods like diet, exercise, and supplements, you can ensure optimal performance. Are you ready to elevate your athletic performance? Understanding and utilizing NAD might just be your secret weapon.